stripe where the asphalt ends. We rise above the pines where the river bends. The iron web holds the sky in its teeth, with the black current rushing 100 feet beneath. The drone swings right on a breath of the gale, looking down on the bridge and the parallel rail. Nipigon, you hold the thread so thin, where the east gives up and the west begins. A lifeline of steel across a granite floor, the beating heart of the north and the shore. Frost on the iron in the first month glow. A bolt gave way and the traffic slowed. A gap in the road where the nation split. Just a few inches of air, but the world felt it. Then the steel cable hummed with a different sound, when the trucks had to turn and stay on the ground. Back in 15, when the world was at war, they plotted the blast on the timbered shore. Two names whispered in the northern mist, Carl and Gustav with a bomb in their fist, to break the rail and the iron tide, to sever the spine of the great divide. Nipigon, you hold the thread so thin, where the east gives up and the west begins. A lifeline of steel across a granite floor, the beating heart of the north and the shore. A country so wide with a single vein, one path for the car and one for the train. Thousands of miles from the sea to the sea, held by a crossing for you and for me. When the bridge lifts its shoulder and groans in the cold, it's the story of Canada, fragile and bold.
Fish on!
Like and subscribe. I'll be going somewhere new tomorrow.